Hi everyone, I am a Major. In this video, we explain the installation handle of ArchiWood. In the previous video, we talked about ArchiWood box, forward modeling. We have created the current wardrobe model case. But this model is not finished yet. For example, the hardware handles above have not been created. We can open the previously created model to create further. Of course, if you accidentally close the model or restarted SketchUp, it doesn't matter. We can find the model we created before. Find the model we created earlier. After checking the order, click Open Model under Production. In this way, we can open the model we created earlier. Then we can create and install the handle. In the Zhongjukayo client, you can see the door panel and drawer tools. You can see the icon for installing handles here. Clicking this icon will pop up the handle installation panel. First, we click on the preview image of the handle. After clicking, the accessory model management will pop up. Here, we can select the handle we need. We can page through and select below. Find more handles. Of course, the handle models here may not meet the needs of all users, or the needs of every country. If we can't find the style of the handle here, the style of the handle we need, we can build ArchiWood under the background module. Click the icon of accessories. Then, here, we can import the SketchUp. The created handle model. SketchUp's modeling capabilities are very powerful. It can create any complex hardware accessories model. After creating it, we can upload it below this icon. In this way, we can create our own model library of hardware handles, which is convenient for us to install the handle. Use it well. Here, after we click it, to select a regular handle, click it, and after clicking, the preview image here will change. Then we can click the install below. There will be automatic installation here. I don't recommend you to use automatic installation. Okay, let's click this icon. After clicking, place the mouse cursor on the cabinet door and click. We can see that the handle has been installed. Okay, we can continue to click on the cabinet door. After clicking, the installation position of the handle is wrong. We can see that there will be an installation area below. Now the area is displayed on the right. So it's on the right side of the door. We just click on the left side. It will show on the left side of the door. In this way, we can install the handle in the correct position. Okay, let's continue to click, and then continue to click. Look at this position. Is wrong again, so we click here and switch it to the right. It will show on the right. At this time, you will find that if we click on the top, it will show on the top. If we click below, it will show below. So, it actually switches the position of the handle. Well, including drawers. We can also install it. We can put it in the middle. Okay, this is set. After setting it, we can see here and here. These four handles, their positions, are not on the same horizontal line. At this time, how do we set the distance between them? We can see X and Y below. X is used to set the horizontal distance, and Y is for setting the vertical distance. So how do we set it? First, we click on the door here. Then we set its Y value to 0 and press Enter. In this way, it will move to a 0 position. After clicking on the right side, and set the Y value to 0, Enter. OK. Then we click on the cabinet door, and set its Y value to 0, Enter. We also set its Y value to 0 here, and press Enter. OK. Next, we can use the tape measure tool, or the line tool to measure it. We can use the line tool to capture this endpoint and lock the blue axis. Press the up arrow key on the keyboard. Then we move to here. Then, we can take a look. The distance is 254. We can enter the value in the lower right corner. To see its value is 254, right? Of course, we can directly draw this straight line. Then we can measure and display that it is 254. At this time, we click on the door. We can enter. We can enter 254 and press enter. After pressing enter, we can see that it has been adjusted to 254. This position, which is correct. The same method can be used for the handle above. We can draw a straight line here. The dimension here. We can see that it is 90. This is for reference only, which we don't actually need. So we click to install the handle. Click the door. Then, we enter a -90 here. Because it goes down, so we need to enter a negative value. The handle on the left. It goes up. So we enter a positive 254. The right handle. It goes down. So we should enter a -90 here. After entering, press enter, and then it's adjusted. After adjustment, the handle will be controlled on a horizontal line. This is the core content we talked about in this video. After installing the hardware handle, create it. After installation, we need to remember to save the model. We should develop a habit of saving models. If we don't save the model in time, the operations we just did will be in vain. So, for beginners, you must develop the habit of saving. We can often press the shortcut key of Ctrl+S, because the default shortcut key for saving is Ctrl+S. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you, all.